Hey, how's it going? So I have a second box of 2020 Topps Triple Threads Baseball. I'm going to rip into this right now. This is actually a second box from the same case as the first one that had that big Deca booklet in it. Actually bought two boxes. Let this one marinate for a bit longer. Let's see what I get out of this one. Alright, there's two mini boxes. Let's see, let's go for this one first. I don't think I ever showed the odds here before. So if you want to check that out, freeze frame it. Focus a little funky, there you go. Alright. Got a little air in it. Probably just a standard pack. A little fluffy. Alright, looks like we got a little thick card in the back. Ooh, nice Ohtani. The gold looks cool. I like the way the golds look. It's pretty nice. It's got a gold Ohtani to 99. Javier Baez. Got one of those before. This one's to 275. Tony Gwynn. Mike Schmidt. Garrett Cole. And the two hits. Go ahead and flip it over. Matt Carpenter. Just a jersey relic. That's the thicker card. And that is numbered 27. 15 of 27. See what the auto is. Ooh, looks like a double. Don't know who this is. Thairo Estrada. Never gotten one from him. From the Yankees. Thairo Estrada. Auto relic. That's cool. Nice looking card there. Yeah, I don't know who this guy is yet. I have not gotten any of his cards. 59 of 75. Top left. It's kind of hard to see the numbering. There it is. Sweet looking card. Nice. All right. And there's Garrett Cole. Let's see what this next pack has. The look of triple threads this year is pretty nice, I have to say. This one's really super fluffy. Kind of the same, actually. Yeah, digging the look. There's a lot of Dodgers this year, so might be going more in than usual. At least the last few years, I've been pulled way back on triple threads and focused more on Dynasty. Even pulled back on Dynasty because the prices have gotten pretty crazy. Another Baez to 275. It's the third Baez I've gotten in two boxes. Piazza to 299. Mark McGuire. Lou Gehrig. Jacob deGrom. And here comes the hits. Nico Horner, cool. I think that's a Jumbo Unity relic. Number 22 of 75. Nice rookie auto there, cool. And let's see what, ooh, got some sort of triple relic here. Cubs, 8 of 27. Anthony Rizzo, Chris Bryant, and Javier Baez yet again. So there you go, there's my second box of 2020 Triple Threads. Just a Grom. Go over the hits really quick. So we got this triple relic of the Cubs. Nico Horner, Cubs box. This Cubs pack, I should say. It's Estrada auto relic, triple auto relic. 75. And Matt Carpenter Relic. So cool, not bad. 27. Not as cool as my first box. But there you go. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all later. Peace.